Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for the deck of panning project for you. And as I'm sure you guys all know, this was started by Emily from Emily and Max, also McGinnis Mama. She has two channels, one makeup, one like books, family, garden, those type of things, mostly books. Yeah, I really like her other channel as well, so I keep shouting that out because I think she deserves more subscribers there as well. Anyway, this project is based on a deck of cards and a board that Emily made that has certain prompts linked to the cards, and she shuffles them up every month. I'm doing this somewhat Emily style. Every time I'm not able to roll something out, doesn't matter, I'm always rolling something new in. Started off with 5 products if I remember correctly. I'm at 8 right now, and let's see if we can bring that number down, or if we were able to. I know. So starting off, the Glam Bronze Trio. This has been in here since the very start, and this is turning around. Oh no, I'm just realizing why. Okay, I thought that the pan itself was moving, but the pan is not loose, the product is loose. So the product is coming loose from the sides. It's just one big chunk of product that's not attached in any way anymore. So I need to be careful with this one. But yeah, it's moving around when I'm using it right now, just because apparently it's not attached to the pen anymore. I'm definitely getting close on that highlighter. I'm trying to finish off the last little bits, but as you can see, there isn't a lot left anymore. So I'm hoping to have that finished soon enough. My guess is it's still going to take me at least 2 months to get there. I have already hit the bronzer over here, and the bronzer is kind of sloping down already as well, but I'm trying to kind of use it as a highlighter at the moment, and then I will start using it as a bronzer once the highlighter is gone. Wearing it today as well. I have used this one another, how many times? 23 times since the last time I updated you guys, for a total of 171. And I already had used it hundreds of times before that, so that's only this year. The blush was pretty much already gone when I started using it at the start of this year, but we're making nice enough progress at the moment, so happy enough with that. But I also know that this is still going to be here at the end of the year, which is okay. We'll get there at some point. This is a multi-year project. One that has been in here since the start as well, that I was definitely not expecting to still be here, is my bronzer in my Sephora palette. But I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but you will definitely be able to see the close-up. I hit pan. I finally hit pan. It took me another 17 uses, so it's not anywhere near my previous update. Total of 155. 155 uses in this fairly small looking pan for me to be able to hit pan on this bronzer. Now, it is pretty flat at this point, so once, yeah, I know, like some of you probably want me to use that up straight away, but this bronzer will get preference over this one because I just want to get this out. But yeah, this will maybe roll into a project next year or something for me to be able to finish it off, because yeah, there really isn't that much product left anymore. Now that I've hit pan, it will probably move quite quickly. But that one is rolling out. So one product rolling out. Product number 3. This is my Pinking of You blush from Revlon. My goal was to use this 30 times. This has clearly already been in other projects as well, and I'm hoping to finish this off at some point as well. But I've had this in projects multiple times, and I've never been able to like full-on focus on it for some reason. But I'm pretty sure the pans have expanded a little bit since I rolled this in, so we're moving. The additional 5 times that I've used it this month brings me to a total of 30, which, as I said, was my goal. So also this one is rolling out, and I can fully focus on my blush in my pan palette again, because I've taken away 30 uses for that by using this one. Then we had, in this little package, I had decanted my Catrice Pout Polish in, I keep forgetting whether it was Strawberry Secret or the other one, but this one is empty. So also this one is rolling out. I used it an additional 10 times for a total of 60. to get it finished. So that's a product that is completely leaving my collection. All the other ones, even though I hit my goal on them, they're still here. So that is pretty exciting as well. Then I have my L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Lip Duo Compact in Unchanging Beige. It's kind of a brownish lipstick, and I think this is a really good one for like upcoming fall time. This is how much is in there. It is extremely long lasting. I can put this on in the morning, and then oftentimes in the evening it's still kind of there. I need to be careful in how much I apply because it tends to like crumble or at least like heap up along the sides if I'm not careful with it. So I have used it an additional 12 times since last time, which definitely is a lot better than what I have been doing before that, bringing me to a total of 18 uses right now. I'd used it 6 times before, and it had been in for a couple of months already, but I was focused on another lipstick that I wanted to finish off, and that one is done now, so I have some more room for this one. The other lipstick that I'm focusing on right now is a bright primary red shade, and that is just not always what I want to wear, so I'm grabbing for this one a lot when I want something neutral. Yeah, so I've made less progress on this than I did last time, but that is partly because before it was at an angle and now it's flat, and I'm trying to kind of re-angle it again because it got flat because a piece kind of broke off because the lipstick was getting a little bit too warm, and I had to work with that for a little bit. So no major progress like distance wise, but good progress in amount of uses, so just need to keep that going basically. Then my Maxfactor lipstick in Icy Rose. This one I have used an additional 23 times as well, bringing me a total of 109 uses. And the thing with this one, I'm pretty sure I just keep taking off more on the sides, but the top kind of stays where it is. I keep like touching it with a brush, and then I'm applying it to my cheeks. And I'm trying to, at the moment, kind of my goal or the way I'm seeing progress is whether I'm getting closer to like the middle of the X, and I'm currently not really doing that. 23 times is a good amount of uses, and I've definitely used up some product, but it hasn't really moved down a whole lot at the moment, which is fine. I'm using it, so we'll get there. But yeah, progress is not amazing on it, which when you're using it as a cream blush, it's never gonna move very quickly anyway. But yeah. Then my lip balm, complete opposite. I have used this one 26 times since last time for a total of 53 now. And this has only been in for 2 months so far, and this is all that's left. I'm using up a lot of this product. The 26 uses is also like the amount of days that I've used it, which is not the same as the amount of applications, because some days I do actually apply this like maybe 3, 4, 5 times, especially on like the weekend days when I'm not wearing makeup. That is what is on my lips most of the time, so I'm using it a lot, and well, it shows. That one is going to be done next month, I'm 99% sure. And then lastly, I have my face mist from the Body Shop, the vitamin C face mist, and this one I have used an additional 23 times as well. You can see there are a few products that I use every single time I do my makeup, so I've done my makeup 23 times since the last time. I've updated you guys, and right now I am about here on this one. It's kind of hard to see because the packaging is opaque, but based on like me looking into the product and shaking it a little bit, I'm pretty sure this is about where I am, which tells me that also this one will likely be done by the next time I update you guys. So we're finally starting to like get some movement in the products. This time I'm rolling out 3 products: the bronzer from my Sephora palette, this blush, and that Catrice powder polish. So that is very exciting. One product that is rolling out of my collection completely. And that brings me to now 5 products that I have left. I'm gonna roll 1 more in to hopefully just make it 6. But we never know which cards we're gonna get and what we're gonna have to do, because I have had to add additional products from cards that I was getting before. I'm just quickly like shuffling my deck a little bit again. I don't know how to shuffle anymore. Shuffling. And then I'm gonna split the deck, and this is what we're ending up with. And this is the 10 of Hearts. So let's see what that is on Emily's game board right now. Quickly grabbing my laptop. Okay, you can clearly see my laptop is on my lap right now. Oh, this is interesting. The 10 of Hearts is a wishlist dupe. And, well, because I've been panning for so long, I'm not looking at new products anymore. I don't have a wish list. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to think about like what type of products maybe I would like to be able to buy again or something like that, and see if I can come up with something, but I'll be back. Okay, a little bit of creativity, because I don't really have a wish list and I couldn't really think of like what type of product I'm actually excited to buy at this point. Maybe a highlighter or something, but yeah, I'm not rolling in a highlighter at the moment. I've got other things to focus on. So what I came up with is a product that has been in this project earlier this year, and that is my ILIA lip gloss. I only have four lip glosses left in my collection at the moment, which means I'm gonna be hopefully buying lip glosses again in the somewhat near future, as in like in 2025 probably. But yeah, the ILIA gloss in a way reminds me of a product that Paula was talking about. Paula from A Beauty Guru Made Me Do It. She was talking about these lip sticks or lip balms that kind of looked like a gloss once you put them on, and this one is a balmy lip gloss. So feeling wise, I'm expecting this to feel similarly on my lips as that product that Paula was talking about, and I thought that that was kind of interesting because actually I like bullet type of products better than like this. So I'm actually kind of interested in that type of product that Paula was talking about. So this is a balmy gloss, and that would be a glossy balm, I guess. So I thought that that was close enough. No, like I said, I don't really have a wish list, and anything that is on my wish list I probably don't really have a dupe of in my collection, because if I do, then I'm not gonna buy it because I've learned my lesson. So this is rolling in. My goal is to try and finish this off. I'm hoping I can do that before the end of the year. I'm gonna have to see where I am exactly. There isn't a lot of product in here. How much is in here again? 0.14 fluid ounces or 4.3 mils. And I think I am about here, but this is one of those products that like, it seems big enough, but then when you look at the bottom of it, I don't know how well I can show you guys this. Like you can see that there, I don't know how well you guys were able to see that, but the layer around it is fairly thick, and then the actual part where the gloss is, there isn't that much in there. So as I said, I'm hoping to get this finished by the end of the year. I will mark it once I've had a proper look at where I'm at exactly, but I think I'm about here, like I said. And I have another gloss that I'm still working on that is getting close to being finished. It's more warm toned, so this is a nice like cool toned alternative, and I might be able to focus in on that one a lot more in about a month, a little over a month. I'm expecting it will still take me to finish off the dark gloss, and I'm looking behind you guys because I can see it right there. Okay, so goals for next time. I know this one is going to be finished next time, so that is going to be exciting. Also, my face mist is going to be finished for next time. So those are the main things. As I've already mentioned, I'm focusing on this one more because I finished off another lipstick, so I have more room in my like amount of applications that I have available. This one is going to move really slowly, but I'm hoping to make some proper noticeable progress on this one, and I'm hoping to get quite far with finishing off the highlighter in here. I see that it's starting to come loose from the bronzer right now as well because it's starting to move, so we'll see how much of that highlighter I can get done. Definitely doesn't mean the product is gone, but I'm hoping that most of the highlighter will be done by next time. And now I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.